Hi, good day everyone. My name is Faizal Kasim and I am representing my team and will be presenting our research on the spatial and temporal distribution of Nike fish related oceanographic parameters in Teluk Tomini, Gorontalo using satellite imagery. As the background, Teluk Tomini is rich in biodiversity, particularly the amphidomous Nike fish, which migrate between sea and rivers for survival and reproduction. And understanding their migration helps conserve local fisheries and biodiversity. Key oceanographic factors like sea surface temperature or SST, salinity, currents, and chlorophyll A, are crucial in shaping marine life cycle. However, local studies on these parameters' impact on Nike fish are limited. So, this study aims to fill this gap using satellite imagery and GIS to link Nike fish pattern with oceanographic parameters. And our research addresses four main questions. The first, what are the distribution pattern of oceanographic parameters in Teluk Tomini? The second is what are the location and duration of native fish captured? And the third, how do capture location relate to oceanographic parameters? And the fourth, what is the impact distance from river estuaries on the number of capture sites? As the material and method, the study is conducted in Teluk Gorontalo, the part of Teluk Tomini. And the region we divide into Western and Eastern, where the Eastern included the Pohe, Tanjung Kramat, and Bongo, while the Eastern regions, including Leato Utara, Leato Selatan, and Wangobotu. The observation periods conducted during February to June 2023, while the geographical stratification, we use the river estuary as benchmark for comparing oceanographic conditions. For oceanographic data, the data we collected from Aqua MODIS data and global ocean physics reanalysis satellite imagery. Our study focusing on the monthly average from 2019 to 2021. While the parameters monitored are include the chlorophyll A, SST, salinity, and currents. And the captured data we collected are the source from field study and local fisheries records, including the validating fishing activity data. For the capturing location and duration, we try to map it the number of activity fishing days and not proximity to river estuary and other geographical features. Our results show that for chlorophyll A, the concentration fluctuated significantly, with the lowest at 0.141 milligrams per meter cubic in December 2019, and the highest at 1.161 milligrams per meter cubic in September 2021. The weak correlation with fishing location suggests an indirect influence on native fish distribution. For the result of SST, the SST range from 28.35 degrees Celsius to 31.98 degrees Celsius, with cooler waters correlating with increased fishing frequency and longer capture durations. SST showed a strong inverse correlation with fishing activity, while for the salinity and currents, salinity varied between 32.59 ppt and 35.20 ppt, with a weak influence on capture location. And the current range from 0.009 meter per second to 0.114 meter per second is impacting nutrient transport and fish larva dispersal, where the lower current speeds correlated with longer fishing durations. For fishing location and duration, the highest capture frequency in Leato Utara, while Leato Selatan and Huango Botu had the lowest. Fishing duration correlated with SST and currents. This is highlighting their influence on fish behavior. In discussion, the impact of SST and current is a significant influence on Nike fish distribution, aligning with previous research on fish behavior and metabolism. For role of satellite imagery, the essential for tracking oceanographic parameters and informing fisheries management. In the field of complementing traditional methods, our research is showing that satellite data provides a comprehensive view, this aiding in conservation strategies and supporting local fishery communities. Uh, for the conclusion, we conclude from this our study. The study highlights the significant impact of SST and currents on native fish distribution, with cooler waters and slower currents being preferred. Satellite imagery is crucial for effective fishery management, offering insight into optimal fishing zone and conservation strategies. The integration satellite data with statistical analysis supports sustainable resource management, benefiting both the ecosystem and local economy. That's all from our presentation, and thank you for your attention. I am happy to participate in this great one of our nation's scientific event of the Scientists and Researchers Congress. Thank you.